928 Northwest 97th, date October 7th, 2022. Making this recording from the access here, excavated and exposed by Bob Oates plumbing in the backyard under the deck. We're going to pull back from the main and get a look at this entire line. We're in 6-inch diameter concrete. This part of the pipe was not part of the Bob Oates project. Once we get back to the 4x6 transition, you'll see the liner. That's the start of the Bob Oates work. Start of our 4-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipe liner. Coming out of the downstream portion of the liner, now we're going to go upstream back towards the toilet and toilet flange inside the home. Go around the turn. And right back into the house into cast iron. To end the video there, we got a good look at the line. Liner turned out really well.